Last month, everyday people across the US made $4,000 to $15,000 a month reselling products from Walmart. They didn't need a degree, a website, or thousands in startup money. Today, I went inside the store, tested the method myself, and found profitable products. Now, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step formula to start this side hustle as a beginner in 2025. Welcome back to Side Hustle Nation, the home of personal finance and real money-making strategies. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe because we break down real hustles that anyone can start. Today's video is one of America's fastest growing beginner side hustles. We're talking about buying discounted products from Walmart and selling them for profit online. What is retail arbitrage? Retail arbitrage means buying a product at a low price from a physical store, then reselling it online for more. The price difference between what you pay in store and what you sell it for becomes your profit. This method is 100% legal and used by thousands of part-time resellers in the US. It's one of the simplest ways to start earning extra income without needing special skills. Why Walmart is the best store for beginners? Walmart is trending for resellers because it's one of America's biggest retail stores. With daily clearance deals, discounts can range from 50% to 90%, especially in electronics, seasonal goods, and home aisles. Stores restock new products every week, creating fresh profit opportunities. Demand for resellable items has surged like never before heading into 2025. Top apps and tools you need in 2025 to resell successfully. You need for essential tools. A price scanner app checks real online market value instantly. You list items on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Amazon Seller. A profit calculator helps you know your margin before buying. A shipping label tool lets you ship from home fast. Step-by-step product hunting in store. Step 1. Walk into Walmart and head to clearance aisles, electronics, seasonal racks, and home decor. Step 2. Open your scanner app and check online price, demand, and sold history. Step 3. Compare store price versus online value. Step 4. If the item sells for at least 1.5x to 3x higher, it's a profitable buy. Pricing strategy that guarantees profit. Don't buy every deal you see. Only buy if the profit margin is 30% or more when you resell it. Always avoid heavy items because shipping costs will eat your earnings. Take clean product photos. List immediately and price according to market value. Fast listings equal fast flips. Plain and simple. Real profit math breakdown. If you buy a clearance item for $10, you can sell it for $35, making $25 profit. Buy for $25, sell for $90, making $55 profit. Buy for $5, sell for $25, making $20 profit. Sell 10 items per week at $30 profit each, and that's $300 weekly, or $1,000 to $100 monthly. Scale to 100 items per month, and you could earn $3,000 to $7,000 part-time income, where you can sell fast in the USA. eBay lets you ship nationwide across America. Facebook Marketplace allows local sales without shipping stress. Amazon gives you access to millions of real buyers every day, if priced correctly. Most items sell within 24 to 72 hours. That means you get your money back and profit faster. Biggest mistakes to avoid. Never buy a product without checking the online resale price first. Don't overprice your items or ignore sold history. Heavy products mean higher shipping, so avoid them at all costs. Blurry photos and slow-selling categories will kill your growth, so focus on high demand. Lightweight items only. My personal test results. I scanned 7 clearance items inside Walmart and found the profitable ones. I bought 2 products for a total of $30 and listed them instantly. I sold them within 48 hours for $82 on Facebook Marketplace. My profit from a small test was $52. Now imagine scaling this every week. Best selling categories for 2025. Trending categories right now include kitchen gadgets, gaming add-ons, pet accessories, and seasonal products. Items tied to major yearly trends like Christmas, back to school, summer gear, and Halloween perform the best. These categories don't require massive capital to start. They also sell extremely fast compared to niche or heavy items. How to scale to $5,000, $10,000 a month. Go to Walmart once a week or every weekend for 2 to 3 hours. Start by flipping 5 to 20 items. Nothing huge. List products instantly with good photos and realistic pricing. Reinvest your profits into inventory and repeat the process weekly. Stay consistent and compound your earnings. That's how small flips turn into thousands. Closing motivation. All right, hustlers, if you're serious about making money in 2025, this is one of the fastest legal side hustles in the US. Start small so you can learn without risk. Stay consistent, scale smart, and reinvest your profits. If you found value here, hit like, comment I'll start, and subscribe. Let's build freedom one flip at a time.